Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by picking the right stop-loss framework for this trade. Choose between a fixed dollar amount, a percent of your entry, or an ATR-based multiple. Each controls volatility differently. Next, confirm your time frame. Intraday stops differ from swing or position trades because time horizon affects acceptable noise. Finally, calculate your maximum risk per trade, such as 1% to 2% of your portfolio, so you know the exact dollar stop. Once done, record these parameters before placing the order. Now you compute the precise stop level and position size. Measure the entry to stop distance in dollars or percent, then use ATR or nearby technical levels, support, resistance, or trend lines to justify that distance. This explains why the stop sits where it does. Convert your allowed dollar risk into shares or contracts by dividing risk by distance. Make sure to include slippage and commissions in your math so the practical risk matches your plan. Once calculated, mentally rehearse how you'll update the stop if the trade moves. Finally, place the stop order matching market conditions. Use market stops for fast fills, stop limit to control price, or trailing stops to lock profits. You manage the exit by adjusting stops only when confirmed trend shifts occur. Don't move stops impulsively just to avoid a loss, because that defeats risk control. If your stop is hit or a rule break occurs, exit immediately, accept the result, and log the trade with rationale. One troubleshooting tip: if frequent whipsaws occur, widen the stop using ATR or shift to a longer time frame.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.